Hey, it's Krista with WTI. Is a Wi-Fi dead zone in your house killing the joy of you and your family? Well, worry no more. The TP-Link Wi-Fi extender is going to give you your joy and life back. Some of the features that make this TP-Link Wi-Fi extender really appealing are its sleek design. You'll notice it's a creamy white color that blends in seamlessly with the wall color, and it doesn't become an ugly technical eyesore. If you're not a techie like me, then you'll be really happy to know that the setup was also super easy as 3 steps in fact. It was just a matter of plugging it in next to my modem, syncing the 2 devices, and then taking it to the location and plugging it in where it needs to have the Wi-Fi extended. That simple. Now that I have this Wi-Fi extender, I have said goodbye to all of the dead zones in my home, and I think you will want to do the same. And that's my point of view.